Hello, myself Satyakrishna. As part of Microsoft Engage program, I have developed a student welfare program where it can be used in any university. It has four different kinds of users: student, faculty, librarian, and admin. Admin doesn't have the registration process. Let us discuss about the admin features. Admin can able to add the course. Suppose if you are adding a course like data mining, and it will be taught for some six people, and the faculty was Aditya. Let us submit. After submission, now let us log into Aditya. If you see, Aditya was teaching AI operating systems and data mining. Aditya can able to enroll any number of students. Suppose in the data mining, let us add the Sindhuja. Let us log into the Sindhuja account. In the courses section, Sindhuja can able to see the data mining course which was taught by the Aditya. Faculty can able to see the enrolled students in his subjects, and he can able to download the statistics. And faculty can able to give the grades to the students. Suppose let us give the grades of the data mining for the student of Sindhuja, and she was awarded for the 50 marks. After updating, we can able to see the grades at the data mining section. Sindhuja got 50, and faculty can able to give the attendance of the student. For the Sindhuja, let us she attended four classes till now. Now after visiting the Sindhuja profile, there will be four, and faculty can able to make the announcement like after making the announcements, the students can able to see the announcements which was appeared by here. Today I am not taking the class which was told by the and he can able to delete it whenever he wants. After refreshing, we can't able to see the profile which was set by the Aditya. This was the features of the faculty, and let us see about the features of the student. We can able to see the courses which was taken by the student, and we can able to request a book for the librarian. Suppose we are having a librarian, and we can able to see any book requests which are pending, no pending, and we are taking the book. After successful request of the book, we can able to see the book request. If you don't want to further proceeding, we can able to delete the book request. We are deleted the book request. There was a no request which was made. Let us make it again. We can able to ask the services to the academics. Like on successful placing the request, admin can able to see the request made by the student, and he can able to accept it or reject it. After successful accepting or rejecting, we can also save all the requests got by the student. And as we discussed earlier, students announcements will be there. Now let us discuss about the librarian. Librarian can able to add a book. Let us add some random book. Now let us choose a random photo. After successful adding, here we can able to see the random book by the random author. Means we can able to see, and we can able to request for a book, and we can able to keep a deadline for the book. After placing the deadline, the librarian account can able to access and see the book requests which are placed by the different students, and he can able to accept the request. Upon accepting the request, the students can able to take the book in an offline scenario purpose. Here we are having a table of all the requesters of the book, and we can able to send a mail to the user that please submit the book, and librarian can able to send an announcements to the students. After upon sending the announcements, then students can able to view the announcement which was made by the library. Thanking you for giving me this opportunity.